English Mastery Daily Podcast. Listen, practice, grow your English.
Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Mastery Daily. I'm Walter, and I'm really happy you're joining me again today. In today's episode, I'll speak at a calm, slow pace. I'll use easy words and repeat key ideas, so you can relax and understand everything clearly. My purpose here is simple: to help you improve listening and speaking together, step by step. Today, we're talking about a question I hear all the time from English learners. How can you start thinking in English? And how can you stop translating from your native language? If this feels difficult for you, you're not alone. Many learners struggle with this, and it's completely normal. Our brain feels safe using the language it learned first. But here's the positive part. Thinking in English is not something you're born with. It's a trainable skill. With the right practice, you can develop it. And today, I'll guide you. Why does this matter? A lot of learners say they feel slow when they speak English. The reason is usually the same. They translate each sentence inside their mind. This habit makes speaking feel heavy and slow, even if you know vocabulary and grammar. Translation stops you from speaking naturally. In real conversations, people speak quickly. They don't pause while you search for words or translate ideas. Another problem is that translation isn't always correct. Languages don't work the same way. Word order can change meaning. For example, in some languages, adjectives come after nouns. In English, they usually come before. So word-by-word translation can sound strange or even incorrect. That's why the real goal is this. Train your brain to think in English directly. When you do that, you speak faster. You sound more natural. And English feels easier. Why do we translate? When you begin learning English, your first language helps you. It acts like a bridge, and that's okay. But after some time, that bridge should slowly disappear. You want to see an object and think of the English word immediately. Not go from your language to English. Many learners tell me, "Walter, I understand English, but when I speak, my mind freezes." And most of the time, the reason is simple. Their brain is still translating. So now, let's move to solutions. 5 simple ways to think in English. Tip 1. Describe your surroundings. Wherever you are, silently describe what you see in English. Outside, you might think, "I'm walking down the street. I see a tree. There's a red car. It feels cold today." At home, you can think, "I'm making tea. I'm opening the fridge. I'm cooking rice." You don't need to say anything out loud. If you miss a word, look it up later. That's how your brain learns. little by little. Tip 2. Talk about your day. Another helpful habit is thinking about your routine in English. In the morning, today I will study English. I'll go to work at 9. I'll meet a friend later. At night, I went to the gym. I watched a movie. I cooked dinner, chicken and rice. No writing, no speaking aloud. Just quiet thinking. With repetition, this becomes natural. Tip 3. Practice visual thinking. This method helps remove translation completely. When you look at something, don't ask, "What is this in English?" Just think the English word immediately. Chair, table, phone, book, pen, bus, window, door. No comparison, no translation. Only English. Do this every day, and soon your brain will choose English automatically. Tip 4. Use shadowing. Shadowing is one of the most effective fluency techniques. Listen to a native speaker from a podcast or video like this one, and repeat immediately. Copy the sound, rhythm, speed, and pronunciation. If you hear, "I'm going to the store," you repeat it right away. At first, it feels challenging. That's normal. But this practice trains your brain to react in English fast. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Tip 5. Narrate simple actions. Use English while doing normal daily activities. While walking, the sun is shining. The wind feels cold. There's a dog barking. While cooking, I'm washing the rice. I'm adding salt. This smells good. While cleaning, I'm sweeping the floor. I'm folding the clothes. Keep it simple, like a child learning language. Your daily 4-step routine. Step 1. Morning thoughts. Before checking your phone, think about your day in English for 1 minute. Step 2. Daytime observation. Notice and describe what you see throughout the day. Step 3. Listening and shadowing. Repeat English audio immediately after the speaker. Step 4. Evening review. Before sleeping, quietly think about what you did today. No pressure. No stress. Just calm English thinking. If you do this daily, progress will come. At first, maybe only a small part of your thinking is in English. That's perfect. With consistency, it grows. 30%, 50%, even more. One day, you'll realize something exciting. You're thinking in English without effort. It happens slowly, but it will happen. Thinking in English is a skill you can build. Be patient with yourself. Mistakes are part of learning. Thank you for spending this time with me. This is English Mastery Daily, and I'm Walter. Keep practicing. Keep believing. See you next time.